Yeah, it is definitely egg laying season. So I'm just out on the road with Gerald today. I mean literally on the road. We were going to do a photo shoot out in the country, and we saw a turkey vulture on the side of the road eating something. So Gerald's got this fetish for turkey vultures. I'm not sure what. He wants a turkey vulture shot. So we backed up. We're parked here. We're kind of in a sketchy spot. There was 2 turkey vultures. You got one shot, of him flying.
One shot, yes.
We're gonna see if he comes back for this roadkill. Just gonna check an osprey nest down here at the river. Gerald said he was here a couple weeks ago and there was one baby in the nest, so we'll see.
Nice to be on the kayak here.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. So Gerald and I were saying the nest is just up here by the dam, and we're gonna come back, and she's obviously hunting all day to feed the young. We're gonna set up with tripods and see if we can get the osprey when it dives into the water and goes after prey. We just have to find out, is she hunting above the dam or below the dam? So there's a guy Gerald knows works here. They're doing a bunch of construction, and we're gonna ask him and say, you know, can you give us a tip? The one farmer we talked to earlier today already, he told us about owls, eagles that were here. He gives a whole whackload of information, so it's good to stop and talk to people. Yeah, so there is an osprey down there, and it looks like it's feeding young. She's definitely feeding a young one right there in the nest. Gerald says he's going to take his kayak down the chutes.
Whitewater rafting or?
Whitewater kayaking.
Yeah. I'm not can't zoom. What the hell's going on? See how close? That's my luck.
Gerald just had his lens on manual focus and missed the shot.
Well, yeah.
It happens to the best of us, eh, buddy?
Well, Jesus. Today I missed. My fault. Being too lazy to walk. Missed that.
He drove up to the Blue Heron this morning instead of walking, and it said nope, and it flew away.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right there. Oh, it just flew away.
I got some though, but. What?
Every time we get within range, they fly away. You're gonna have to get out and belly crawl up the side of the road, Gerald.
I think so.
Well, dude, there's nothing wrong with that. Looks pretty good. You're just a perfectionist.
Gary found the name. It's a Bobolink. I said, it sounds like a Star Wars name.
It does. We're calling this bird the R2-D2 bird because of the noise it makes, and it's a Boba Fett bird. Bobolink. That's what it's called. Never heard of it before. Never taken pictures of it before. Pretty cool, though.
First time was last year, yes, so.
So Gerald and I were just out here taking some pictures of birds in the field, and the guy that owns the property, I was going to say the farmer, but he's not really a farmer. He just moved up here 4 years ago. He does all kinds of artwork. In the winter, he said he gets bored, and I'll show you guys some pictures of the things he makes, like farm animals and yeah, really cool stuff. He's got all kinds of these things on the edge of his property. There's a cow and a pig driving in a little Jeep there, being chased by the police dog. And last stop of the day, we're checking on our bald eagles here. And there is a chick in the nest. There he is, there's a juvenile. This year's new hatch.